Hey, what's good, everyone? It's your man Charlie Anthony back with another FYI DIY video, and this one's just going to be a quick review on the OPT7 HID Bullet R fog lights that I put in 2 weeks ago. And I just wanted to do a test in the real darkness, and pretty much I came to a spot right now where it's as dark as it can get. So right now I have my regular HID lights on and my HID fog lights on. So this is going to be with just the HID fog lights on. That's off. This is back on. This is with both. And this is just the regular headlights on. As you can see, it's a pretty big difference. I'm going to put the HIDs back on. And yeah, I'm pretty much satisfied with these lights. So if you're thinking about getting the Bullet R HID headlights, by all means get them. I'm gonna put a link at the bottom of this video, and check it out. Don't forget, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel. It's your man